Hello and welcome back to Lights Camera Action. So far we know how to manipulate the footage and put it into our project from our events. And you can see I've made a little film there up the top. But now I'm going to teach you how to do something that's more fun, and that's going to be adding titles and transitions. So first we click on the transition menu, which is like that little box with a diamond inside. And then these are all the different kinds of transitions you can have. So you can see I've gone for mosaic there, and I'm putting it where the green line appears, because that'll put it right in the middle between those two pieces of footage. And you can see a little icon appears to show it's there. And then when I play the film, you can see it mosaics from one to the other. Now I think that mosaic is too quick. So if I go into adjustments here, I can change the mosaic animation to last for a whole second. And if we go back and play it now, it takes a little bit longer, which is good to see. So let's try out a different transition. I might go for cube this time, and again I put it where the green line is, and I just hit play to make sure that it all seems to make sense, and you'll see it'll cube from one to the next. Fantastic. Looks good, doesn't it? The next thing I'm going to teach you how to do is how to put titles into your film. And the way you put titles into your film is you just pick the title you like and you chuck it in the green line again. And one most important, of course, are your credits. And you can see we've got all these different beautiful backgrounds you can use. So I might go for the water effect here. And you can see I can just edit the text. There it is. You can see Harrison Ford is going to be playing me. And Reese Witherspoon is going to be playing Elizabeth, and we've got Justin Bieber starring in the film as well. Gee, it's going to be an interesting film, isn't it? And if you've got stuff you don't want there, you can just delete it, just like I'm doing now. And of course, you can change the fonts of the film. You go to the font section and you can change the size of it, you can change the colour of it, and you can do all kinds of good fun stuff like that. When you're finished, you make sure you click done, and that will add a title to your film. But of course there's other kinds of titles you can add as well. I quite like the sideways drifting one here, so we're going to put that right at the start of the film. Looking for the green line, there it is again. And you get to decide what background you want. So maybe we'll go for the stars this time. And we'll give our film a title. There we go, just typing it straight in there. And of course you can change those fonts as well. And now you can see there's a bit of a sideways drift going on there before we start the actual film. And you can see our credits work as well. Looks good so far. And there's one more kind of title you can do. And this is a title on the actual footage. And instead of a green line, you're looking for the blue marker there. And that means it's going to place it on top. And you can see the text appears up there. And we're going to put in their names here. And then we're going to see if it works. And you can see as we watch that section, the titles appear very quickly though. So we might need to extend that part of the film. But overall, that's all there is to it. A couple of things to remember. Use titles from the menu, and don't overuse transitions. It just makes it very disconcerting for the viewer.